This is a test of my brand new Sony HD Handycam. This is a test. Let's look how, let's see how Tron looks on here. Looks pretty decent. Let's take a look at photos. Or no, you know what? Let's go to Angry Birds. Or how about, you know what? Let's go to Robot Unicorn. How well this plays out. Wow, that looks really good. Imagine on my tripod how good it'll look. Touch to make your dreams come true. Wow, that looks really good. Oh, dang it. Hold on, let's see. Can I do that? That looks really good. Okay, end of test.